Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. It is day, I don't even know, of Hairtober, but yes, like I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched my previous video, stop this one and go back to that one. But I'm about to do a few half up, half down hairstyles for you guys. That's why you see my hair already parted in the half up, half down style, format, foundation, whatever you want to say. So yeah, we're about to get into it. I'm so sad, y'all. In the midst of me recording, my camera just cut off. So this is the finished product from the front. Now we're about to work on the back. Definitely going to wet and moist. Well, it's already moisturized, so I'm probably just gonna wet it. No lie, I'm just probably gonna wet it. But yeah, I just came out here to really like complain because I'm really upset. Like, freak, I'm so upset. Like, it didn't give me no warning, it didn't give me no nothing. Well, I mean, of course I wouldn't see the warning, but it didn't give me any type of beep notification like, hey, we about to turn off. Like, whatever, the show must go on. I hope you guys didn't miss too much. I pray that y'all didn't miss too much. But yeah, just putting a little water on my back. Do I want to put products in it? Put that curl and hold custard on it. Let me see. I don't be wanting to put so much product on my hair, you know? What y'all thinking? Okay, I'm gonna put the Cream of Nature curl and hold custard on it, just to make myself feel better. Cause I'd rather do too much than not enough. I'm so sad, y'all. So water, finger detangle. I love let's start there. I love finger detangling more than anything because I feel like it takes, you know, it's less tension on your hair. You can actually feel, you know, the knots and everything coming out. And I don't know, I'm a hands-on type of person. I like to feel it. Okay. So let's get into it. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we're gonna keep bringing these hairstyles. I'm giving you guys more of a natural thing because I know everybody doesn't have natural clip-ins. If you want to get some though, definitely check out my old videos. The information's in the bio. Well, the description box. There I go, talking too fast. But yeah, see you guys.